Hello, welcome to another problem session. So in this problem, we have a cart that's moving at constant velocity, and it enters a place where a grain hopper, this funnel, grain is being dumped at a constant rate. So this is also constant. So this is some rate at which is dumped, and this rate is given in terms of how much mass is adding to this cart per unit time. You can think of this as we will think of this as dm dt equals alpha. Okay. Now we are supposed to find this force F. You know that if you look at this whole cart as a system, that's what we look at. So let's look at this cart as a system. So this is our system. That system is moving at constant v. So acceleration is 0. So why do I need a force here? You'll say, no, the acceleration is 0, so force should be 0. But that's actually wrong, because Newton's law for system, Newton's law is actually not F equals ma. Newton's law is actually F equals dp dt. So if you use this p is the momentum, so d dt mv, and so when the mass is changing, it doesn't come out. It actually has two terms, dm dt times v plus m dv dt. So in our case, acceleration would be 0. V constant means dv dt is 0, and so this will be 0 here. So force will be this, and because we are just looking at one direction, say x-axis, we will just look at this F. So just give me a along x-axis. It just becomes the magnitude of this force F, and dm dt is alpha, and speed is v. So that's the answer. Now this answer is actually only when the mass is changing, right? So if you draw a picture of time, so say this was the situation at t equal to 0. So this was as t equal to 0, and this is like a fixed place. And so this right edge is at t equal to 0 here, right? So when it moves at some time, let's look at take another look. At some time later, it will be some grain over here now. So this is at time t, and so this is t equal to 0, and this is some time t greater than 0. But at some point, this thing will actually move to the right, and at this point no more grain is falling. So this is t equals to t. No more grain is falling, and it's still going at this is still going at speed v, this is going at speed v, and this was going at speed v. So you can see that at t equal to 0, you don't need any force because acceleration is 0 or mass is not changing. Both of them is 0. At t greater than 0, so this is t greater than 0, you don't need any force. Force is 0, so force equal to 0. Okay, it's only between so this is only between 0, t and c. So answer would be like F equal to 0 for t less than equal to 0, and alpha v 0 t less than t, and 0 t greater than equal to t. And t is, as explained in the cart, it starts to accumulate. This is the only time the cart accumulates. The way the problem is stated is this is the answer they're looking for. This is the answer they're looking for. So, okay, this was a pretty good short problem. I will see you in another video.